welcome to another episode on DK Fantasy Creation and Design. It has been a while. It's been like a month since I posted on this channel, and I'm really sorry. COVID sucks, depression sucks, and I haven't been crafting anything, and which is really sad. I'm slowly starting to get back into it, so hopefully I will have more videos for you guys. So this really isn't a crafting video, but I'm putting something together, so I thought, what the heck? Let's film it? I don't know. I'm really bad at building furniture. So what we have here is a coffee cart thing. This thing! I got it from an amazing fan. Joshua got it off my wish list. I've been wanting to have kind of like a coffee bar for a while in my studio room, which is where we are now. It's where I do all my filming, where I do all my schoolwork, where I do all my crafting. It's like literally everything. We have the Christmas tree in here now. So I wanted a little coffee bar. I have a Keurig and all that good stuff, and I have the teeniest, tiniest, like 60s, 70s kitchen. Like I'm talking like carpet on the floor, okay, yellow countertops, that's what the word is. Like look at this kitchen. So there's no room at all. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna film a video. I don't feel the greatest, but once I push myself into to like start doing something, I get really into it. So yeah, let's get started. I feel like so many people are gonna be like, you're cutting into everything wrong. I'm gonna tell you this. I know. I'm left-handed and I just feel so awkward. I'm awkward using scissors. I'm awkward using like letter openers, knives. And I kind of just get away with it. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Come on. There you go. Come on. You can open. You can do it. Okay, I didn't do it. What is happening? Oh, hi, baby! What do you think Mama was coming to you, talking to you? Do you want to come say hi? Do you want to come say hi? Come here. Come here. Come here, come see Mama. Come on. Come here. Oh, is it my baby? Okay. This is my baby. You're so dapper with your little bandana. This is Frost. Hi, did you think I was talking to you? Don't worry, Bubba's. You're the only good boy. Only good boy. Oh, that's my baby. My only baby. Instead of putting the camera on the ground, I figured out a way better like angle to film. So now I'm gonna start filming this way because I just have my camera up and kind of angled down, and hopefully you can see me, like all of me. But yeah, so let's start putting this thing together. That's just telling me what's what. It doesn't even give me directions, it just gives me pictures. Okay, so all you missed was me taking everything out of the box and me complaining that it doesn't actually give me step by step. It just kind of gives you pictures on what to do, which I'm really bad at, and this is why I can't build IKEA furniture, but we're gonna try. I don't know, it looks pretty straightforward. It looks like you kind of just take these and put them together with these. So, okay, first rookie mistake. I didn't even see if all the parts were here. So we're supposed to have 2 of these. 2 of these. 1 of these. Wait, why is there only 1 of these? Oh, just kidding, I can't read. 3 of those. We got that. Tube support. 3 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 of these. Okay, we got everything. It's like, I would hate to put this all together and then I'm missing pieces and then I have to disassemble it and send it back. So, D1, I don't even know. D. What is D? What is D? These are these, okay. are gonna be like, man, we came here for crafting videos, and I'm out here like trying to build furniture. Don't worry though, I'm gonna speed this up so you don't have to watch me for 20 minutes because Lord knows it's gonna take at least an hour to build this, I swear. Okay, just go like this, goes like this, and we just, what is D again? D is the support tube. We just shove D through here. Okay, D's are going here. You know what absolutely grinds my gears is that these are silver and the whole body is gold. Honestly, I think I might paint them. I don't know, I have OCD. Like, I literally have OCD, but it's not me just being like, I have OCD. So I don't want anyone to think that I'm making fun of people with mental health problems or people with OCD, because I have OCD. And as you heard earlier, depression. I definitely get seasonal depression a lot. Around November until around March. I think a lot of that has to stem with the fact that I just miss my family as I'm in a different country. It gets darker quicker, which I don't like. I feel, I don't know, it's like the sun sets and I just become unproductive because I'm like, my brain's just like, it's nighttime now. But I hope you guys like my rambles. But yeah, so that's just kind of something that I've been struggling with lately, but I'm hoping to get back into crafting. I do have a couple cosplay concepts that I have planned. I'm also working on a dress. I'm also working on a leather pouch for LARP because I joined a Discord server where we do LARP on Sundays, like online, which is pretty cool. And then when COVID is over, everything will transfer into the actual LARP system that like I physically go to like events and stuff like that. So I'm making like a pouch to hold like coins and all that good stuff for myself and for a friend and anyone else who wants a custom pouch, because I am learning how to like burn, because I'm going to be using real leather to be able to burn like an image into it, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah. Ta-da! I did it! Yay! So that's kind of the big part done. I think now I just have to put the shelves on. Something's not right in this neighborhood. There's no way it just sits like that. Okay, you know what? I'm learning the instructions. Did I do something wrong already? Whoops! Okay, so here we go. This is why I don't build furniture. Here we go. Okay, so I put all the square ones on one side, all round ones on the other side, and apparently, because it doesn't give you instructions, it just shows you pictures, and I'm just so bad at it. Apparently, you were supposed to like do one and then the other, and then one and then the other, and then one and then the other, and this is why I don't build furniture. So I guess we are taking it apart and starting over. My dog has heard me wallow, and he is here to obviously help me. Are you helping? Do you want to help Mama take this whole thing apart again, because I'm an idiot and don't know how to read directions properly? I think I fixed it. Ugh, that took way too long. Oh, I forgot to, I hope this is right now, because I really don't want to take it apart again. Okay, so now we should actually just pop in. Why? Why are you lying to me? Why are you a liar? Why? Why do you hate me? What is happening? Okay, here we go. Okay. One. We got 1 out of 3. We're gonna do this. Okay. This one doesn't even reach. God, I hate putting furniture together. There we go. 2. Please pray that this one works. This one's so low though. Actually. Ta-da! We have made the coffee bar. Yeah, this is actually a tea cart, so it's pretty close. Let's get this bad boy all set up and decorated and all that good stuff, and I'll give you a little coffee bar tour in 3, 2, 1. And here is the final thing I'll put together. My 2 favorite mugs. This one was from a fan, and it is my absolute favorite. And then Eeyore is my favorite Winnie the Pooh character. And then I have this tumbler and this cup. Both were from the Starbucks collection in China. And when I had one of my friends go to China last year, he picked me up those. And then I have a little warmer and some Starbucks syrups. And yeah, my little cute ring, and there's my coffee bar, guys. So I'm sorry it wasn't a super crafty video, but I hope you guys got a laugh with me putting it together wrong. And I will see you next week. Love you guys.